Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to come on and just do a quick update video, let you know where I've been. I haven't actually been able to post anything or to upload anything, I should say, for the last few weeks. And so I wanted to just quickly come on and say I am still crafting. I'm still doing things sort of behind the scenes at this point because I haven't had an opportunity to upload a video. I guess a few things happened in the last few weeks that I wasn't expecting. Nothing crazy. It's just, different things that kind of come up that you have to deal with right away, and it kind of puts everything else on hold. One thing that I wanted to do in December, and that is, I guess, after I shared my last video with all of you guys, which was probably the first week of December, I had mentioned I was going to do a giveaway. I had some exciting things that I wanted to share with you, and I didn't get a chance to do that. So I thought, you know what? I have a few minutes right now. I'll quickly do this video. Hopefully, I'll be able to get through it. So I will be giving you details on a giveaway, which I will be, I guess, starting now until maybe mid-January. I think that's what I'm going to do. So all the info will be in the video description on how you can take part if you are interested. I was so excited for the ladies that won the Daphne's Diary 2026 planner. I had two that I gave away a couple months ago, and I was so excited to do that, you guys. I do hope to bring you more of those types of giveaways in the future, but for now I thought I would just do something super quick because I really wanted to get something out and I wanted to give a little something to someone. And you know what? January is kind of a slow month with things, so I thought, why not get a nice little giveaway going to kind of start things off on that side. Before I give you those details, so I did want to say I finally did it, you guys. I've uploaded, or I have added something new to my shop. It is my Happy Mail Club little packs that I'm putting together. So I had been thinking about this for so long. It wasn't really until the holidays that I got together with family and friends, and they kind of said, just do it, they really pushed me to do it because I have been thinking about this for a long time. And so I don't know what was stopping me, you guys. I really don't. Every time I put it together, I just didn't do it, but I decided this is it. I wanted to start it in December. Of course I couldn't. So now I'm launching it for January. And what it is I am going to be putting themed happy mail together that will have, something that I think might be useful for that month that I'm going to be sending it out, or something that could be useful for the next month that you could use in your projects, your journaling, your planning, anything really that is creative. And it will be, I will price it so that it's accessible to just about anyone. Hopefully, I'm hoping to make sure that I can send it out free shipping. That's another thing that I'm hoping to do for Canada and the US. And I've already started adding some goodies, my friends. So I will let you know that every month I'll probably have a theme. And if I don't have a particular theme that month, I will gather goodies that I think go with what, I'm thinking about. I love stationery. I will actually be showing you a little short video here of a stationery shop that I recently visited with my daughter. I love to go for inspiration, to see new products coming out. Sometimes it's things that are kind of retro that they bring back in. And so that sort of is inspiring to me as well. And so that brings me to what I'm going to be doing for my Happy Mail Club. It is not a subscription, so you can purchase a kit that month if I have one available. I will be, as I said, trying to do these every month. I don't do anything like Patreon or anything like that because of my chronic pain and my health conditions. I don't know how I'll be every month. So I do as much as I can for the month that I'm in, and I've been inspired to put some things together. So I do have a few months right now that I have gathered some goodies. They might be from a thrift store. They might be, things that I have had in my collection for years. And could include some new goodies as well. I'll be making some items as well, like it could be digital items that I make, like I could make a postcard or maybe a little note card or a tag or that sort of thing. But I will try and include something handmade in those little packs. It will be in a regular envelope, like a letter size envelope. And I'm doing that because I know that a lot of our friends in the US are having so many issues with additional costs that are associated with things coming your way. So I make sure that it's like a paper product that can be sent in a regular mail so that you're not paying anything extra if that would be the case. And I'm hoping, as I said, that I can make it as affordable as I can for everyone that's interested. As I mentioned before as well, I'm going to be using, you know, most of the funds in my shop, whatever I get as a donation or whatever I'm able to sell for that month. I'm putting it towards the vet bills for our little Archie. He's going through some health things, and I mean, I don't know how much more we are going to be spending, but the last 2 visits he's had for blood work, one was about $350 and the other one's been about $175. So, and I know he needs treatments, they said, going forward as well. So this is what I can do, because I love stationery. I love sending mail, and I just thought curating these little packages of happiness, if anyone is interested in any of them, would be something I would love to put together. It helps me with my D-stash as well. And so you'll be getting a lot of different things. As I said, it will be in a regular size envelope. I will try and also have so that it includes shipping, so you don't have to pay extra. Anyone that's international, please send me an email, and then I guess we would have to see how much it would cost to ship that to you. That would be extra shipping as well for outside of Canada or the US, at least for now. But yeah, I'm hoping that, you know, this is something that brings you a little joy in the mail, maybe something that will inspire a little journaling session or a creative session in some way. A little peek of what might be in my first one, because I'm thinking ahead. Obviously, if I'm sending them out in January, you probably will be getting them either, you know, at the end of January or that sort of thing. So of course that puts us into February. And you guys, I have a few of these that I'm going to be putting together, as I said, and it is like a retro theme that I'm super inspired about. If this brings you some childhood memories, it does to me, and so I thought that's kind of what I wanted to bring right now. And so it will be that theme, I believe, that I'm sending out to start with. As I said, not a subscription. You can purchase one if it's available. Depending on how many things I have that month, I might have 10, I might have 15, I might have 20. I don't know, because I'm gathering goodies that I have, maybe goodies that I find at a thrift store. And depending on the number of those goodies, I'm going to try and make the kits so that they all have a little bit of something. But for now, I'm super excited about these ones. I can't wait for you to get them. I will include a little note with each one as well that, you know, if you want to add it to your journal, you could. Anything that I send is something that I would use. For example, I also have some of these really nice thick cardstock pieces that are really lovely craft supplies. So anyways, I just gathered a few of the goodies that you might see in that kit or in that in the mail for January that I'll be sending out. All the details will be in the listing. And thank you all so much for your support, for clicking on my affiliate links. That always helps. Thank you so much for your comments, your likes. Please share the videos as well if you would like someone to win a little something from me. Anyway, so the details about the giveaway, I will also list them below because I always forget something, you guys. So it's open now, and it'll be for about 2 weeks. I will put the date in the video description of the time that you have to enter. You will win a little happy mail from me, and you have to be a subscriber, 18 or over. Like the video, please share the video if you can. I would really appreciate that. And let me know what your favorite Valentine memory is from your childhood, if you have one, and where you're watching from. I'm always so interested to find out, you know, where you are at. Now, if you happen to purchase one of my kits this month, and you happen to be the winner, when I announce the winner, I will refund you that amount for, you know, purchasing the Happy Mail Club kit. So that will be, I guess if you happen to be a person that wins and you have already purchased one of the kits, then I will refund you that money. I think that's it for now. I will definitely have more things to add to giveaways in the next few months. I plan to do one every month, you guys. That's what I'm hoping to do. And for now, I think that's all I have to say. If I forget anything, again, I will put it in the video description. Anyone that's taking part or that is actually purchasing a little kit from me, I may have like a little swap happening in the future to any of those people that, you know, have shown an interest, because I know if you have purchased a kit, then you're interested in what I'm interested in, which is anything to do with crafts and scrapbooking and junk journaling and that sort of thing. So I might do a little maybe quarterly swap with those of you that are interested in that. We'll see how that goes. But for now, I thought I wanted to quickly get this video out, let you know that I'm still here. Currently, I have to deal with our furnace has to be replaced. Our doggy has to be treated for his little issues, and that's sort of been my focus. My hubby just got over COVID, so it's been a lot, but I can't wait to get back and show you more projects, more tutorials, one-page wonders, more magazine flip-throughs. I've got more Daphne's Diary definitely coming my way to show you. Anyways, questions, comments, you guys leave them below. Don't forget to answer the questions I asked if you want to be entered in my quick little giveaway for January. And thank you all so much for your support. Every little bit is always appreciated. I can't tell you I wouldn't be here without you, and I continue to be here because of you. So thank you so much, and I will see you probably in the new year. So until then, Happy New Year, my friends, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.